Also tonight we do have some breaking news on our story on the Cheektowaga Highway Department and the use of town equipment and personnel for a private repair project. Town Attorney John Dudziak says that the Erie County District Attorney's office has now assigned a prosecutor to investigate this incident, as well as the alleged harassment of town employees by another supervisor in that department.
Channel 2's Ron Plants, who first broke this story on Tuesday, asked tough questions in an interview with the highway superintendent before we learned that the DA's office was involved.
Cheektowaga Highway Superintendent Mark Wegner may question who really took these pictures from 2020 showing his department's trucks and staffers working on a flagpole at a private medical professional office on Borden Road. But now he's facing some serious questions about what is or is not allowed when taxpayers are paying for it. They came yesterday from the Workers' Union.
Under New York State Constitution, Article 8, subsection 1 prohibits the use of public monies or public resources for private individuals or private purposes.
This is about the union not having a contract, and we all know this.
But wait a minute. This is dealing with taxpayers. Are you going to try to deflect now and turn around and say this is because of union contracts?
That's what we're out here for.
Actually, we're out there trying to find out if anyone else got a favor at taxpayer expense. And we're trying to confirm more of them after Wegner admitted to this one.
I told the crew to go there. It was I authorized that.
Isn't this a slippery slope, though, when you come down to it, Superintendent? I mean, couldn't you start doing private work for people on private property constantly with this policy?
I would help out anybody. Like I said earlier, I'd help out anybody. It could be in violation, but we hung a flag.
Don't you take an oath, sir?
Yes, I did.
And did you take an oath to uphold the state constitution?
Yes, I did.
Well, if this is possibly in violation, as you admitted it possibly could, wouldn't you be in violation of the state constitution?
Spank me.
That's your answer to taxpayers.
That's my answer.
Spank me.
Mm-hmm.
And looking forward, this promise, so you can guarantee us there will be no further use of highway department equipment or manpower on private property.
I'm not going to say that because we do have to go on private property.
No, I'm talking about instances like this, sir, not brush pickup.
Correct. They will not be doing it.
We've also learned from a source that people will be reaching out with a complaint to the State Division of Human Rights in Albany to determine if an individual employed by the Highway Department who may have a disability was allegedly harassed by a supervisor at that town department. We hope to have more information on that and this entire situation in the coming days. Here in the Information Center, Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.